Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to solve following problem. Imagine a research survey conducted on 100 different cells to determine which enzymes they contain. There are 3 enzymes of interest: enzyme A, enzyme B, and enzyme C. And this is results that we got. And question: how many cells contain only enzyme C? This type of problem we can find in genomics when we, for example, compare millions of the genotypes of the healthy people against millions or thousands of genotypes of the people with certain disease, and we're trying to find where in the genome which type of mutation causing this genetic disorder. And this is just a simplification of this type of problem. And the best way to solve this problem, as we see there is 3 enzymes here, would be to use a Venn diagram, where 3 circles represent different enzymes, enzyme A, B, and C, and interactions between these enzymes. Now let's take a closer look at our problem. 3 cells contain all 3 enzymes, enzyme A, B, and C. And we put the 3 cells here in the middle. Next, 7 cells contain both enzyme A and enzyme B, but not enzyme C. This is intersection of the enzyme A and B, and we have to put here 7 cells. And the whole intersection is going to be this section, but we already put 3 cells which contains all 3 enzymes. And we also said that 7 cells contain only enzyme A and B, so we put in this section here. Next, we know that 21 cells contain both enzyme A and C, but not enzyme B, so 21 goes here. Next, we know that 10 cells contain both enzyme B and enzyme C, but not enzyme A. So this 10 go here. Next, we know that 18 cells contain only enzyme B. 18 goes here. And lastly, we know that 32 cells contain only enzyme A. So we put 32 here. And don't forget our question, which is how many cells contain enzyme C, only enzyme C. Take a look. We start with 100 different cells. So our last step would be 100 minus 32 minus 7 minus 18 minus 3 minus 21 and minus 10. So 32 and 18 is going to be 50, 60, 70, 91. So 100 minus 91, and we are going to get 9. 9 cells is going to have only enzyme C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.